Welcome to PipoToeng, your trusted source for the finest in automotive, luxury, and innovation. Today, let's dive deep into the extraordinary 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, the very definition of modern opulence. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class sets a new global benchmark for luxury, technology, and supreme comfort. Chosen by executives, celebrities, and visionaries who demand only the finest, this ultra-luxury sedan masterfully blends the handcrafted prestige of Maybach with the cutting-edge advancements of Mercedes-Benz. Exterior design, classic elegance redefined. From the very first glance, the 2026 Maybach S-Class radiates authority and elegance. The signature chrome grille with vertical slats, proudly crowned with the Maybach logo, instantly commands respect. Available in over 10 bespoke two-tone color combinations, every Maybach can be tailored to the owner's unique taste. The refined LED headlights come with advanced adaptive high-beam technology, ensuring optimal visibility at all times. Adding to its imposing silhouette, the extended wheelbase not only boosts visual grandeur, but enhances rear seat spaciousness, a true sanctuary on wheels. Subtle details like the illuminated Maybach emblems on the C-pillars and the stunning 22-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels whisper quiet confidence and smoothness. Luxurious interior and technology, a private jet on the road. Step inside, and you're transported into a world that rivals first-class aviation. Sumptuous Nappa leather envelops every surface, stitched with intricate patterns unique to Maybach craftsmanship. In the rear, electrically adjustable executive seats offer full recline capabilities, complete with heating, ventilation, and world-class massage functions. Passengers are entertained by a twin 12.3-inch OLED rear seat entertainment system, all seamlessly integrated with the latest MBUX hyperscreen, an AI-powered interface with intuitive voice controls. The cabin ambiance can be perfectly customized with over 60 shades of ambient lighting, allowing every journey to feel personal and extraordinary. The experience is elevated further with the Burmester 4D surround sound system, featuring 30 premium speakers, delivering crystal-clear, immersive sound. A refrigerator housed between the rear seats, paired with silver-plated champagne flutes, elevates celebrations on the move. Powered privacy curtains and illuminated Maybach door sills ensure every moment inside the Maybach feels exclusive and discreet. Performance and powertrain. Effortless power. Underneath the elegance lies extraordinary performance. The Maybach S-584 Matic features a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with EQ boost, producing 496 horsepower and 516 pounds-feet of torque, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.7 seconds. For those craving even greater power, the Maybach S-684 Matic offers a handcrafted 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, delivering 621 horsepower and 664 pounds-feet of torque, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in a stunning 4.4 seconds. Both models feature a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission and 4-matic all-wheel drive, ensuring a serene, composed ride in any condition. Excitingly, Mercedes also teases the Maybach EQS, an all-electric model with dual motors and an expected range exceeding 400 miles, marking Maybach's graceful entrance into the electric era. Driver assistance and safety. The next step toward autonomy. Safety is paramount in the 2026 Maybach S-Class. Equipped with Mercedes Drive Pilot, it offers Level 3 semi-autonomous driving on highways, allowing the driver to relax while the car navigates itself in certain conditions. Active Parking Assist with a 360-degree camera enables fully automated parking maneuvers with precision and ease. The Pre-Safe Impulse Side system intelligently moves passengers away from a potential impact, enhancing safety like never before. Adaptive Cruise Control with lane centering reduces fatigue on long journeys, while Night Vision Assist scans for pedestrians and animals during nighttime drives. Pricing and release. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class reflects its exclusivity in its price. The Maybach S-584 Matic is expected to start around $190,000. The majestic Maybach S684 Matic will command approximately $230,000. And if released, the all-electric Maybach EQS will likely begin at $200,000 plus. Deliveries are anticipated to start in mid to late 2025. Final thoughts: the ultimate luxury sedan. With unmatched craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and world-class comfort, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class redefines what it means to travel in style. Whether powered by V8, V12, or electricity, every journey inside the Maybach isn't just a drive, it's an experience. Thank you for joining us here at PipoToeng. If you love luxury, performance, and staying ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exclusive automotive deep dives. See you in the next video.